Welcome to this powerful and intelligent business management platform, designed to simplify daily operations and improve productivity. Whether you're managing customers, projects, employees, or business performance, this platform brings everything together in one place. As we enter the dashboard, we are greeted with a clean, modern, and user-friendly interface. Every section is carefully organized, making it easy to navigate and access important information within seconds. The dashboard provides a complete overview of business activities. Users can monitor ongoing tasks, track important updates, and analyze key performance indicators in real time. This allows managers to make faster and smarter decisions based on accurate data. One of the platform's biggest strengths is its centralized management system. Instead of using multiple software tools, all essential business functions are available in a single workspace. This improves collaboration, saves valuable time, and increases overall efficiency. The system also offers powerful data management features. Information is stored securely and can be searched, filtered, and updated with ease. Whether it's customer records, project details, or operational reports, everything is organized for quick access. Another key advantage is real-time reporting and analytics. Interactive dashboards and detailed reports help businesses understand performance trends, identify opportunities, and solve challenges before they become major problems. Security is also a top priority. User authentication and role-based access ensure that sensitive business information remains protected while allowing team members to access only the data they need. The responsive design makes the platform easy to use across different devices, providing a smooth experience whether you're working from the office or remotely. Overall, this business management solution is built to increase productivity, improve teamwork, and support better decision-making. With its modern interface, powerful features, and intelligent reporting tools, it helps organizations